So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab. Now right click over here and open the console incognito window. Now just click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell. Remove this unwanted pop-up. Also do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now click on continue. Authorize yourself. Once the Cloud Shell is activated, come to the lab instruction, come to task number 1. First of all, set the zone. And after that, just create the cluster. So run it. Now if you get error, wait for some more time and wait for all the APIs to get enabled. After that, we have to simply run it. Now this cluster creation may take 8 to 10 minutes. So simply wait for it. So finally, after waiting for 4 to 5 minutes, the cluster is created. Now simply check the score. Now come over here and come to task number 3. From here, just copy the code, means just clone the repository. After that, just change the directory and then just come over here and run the build command. Now once it is done, come back over here and run the push command. Paste, hit enter. Once it is pushed, come over here to task number 4 and just run it to create the deployment. This is also done. Try to check the score. And now from here, scroll down a bit and just allow the external traffic. This command, okay. So this is how we completed the lab. If you are wondering how to enable the yellow check my progress bar, check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. Do like the video.